Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. It's 28 degrees Celsius right now, outside of course, and I'm already wearing all linen shirt by Lanieri, linen trousers by Yeossal and alpargatas, no socks, so I couldn't really wear less, at least when it comes to stuff that I do have in my wardrobe. But now I placed another order at Yeossal again, ordering a pair of shorts and a very nice casual shirt. So let's take a look. Before I unbox this parcel, let me tell you a few things about Yeossal, because they redesigned their web shop recently and I do like it a lot better now. It's way more usable and I just like the design better, and it's easier to order overall and to see what you're actually choosing and picking and what the other options are, so it is very nice in my opinion. The shorts option is a little bit hidden because you actually have to customize a pair of trousers, and then there is a short option, and you can pick this one, and then you have shorts instead of trousers, basically. So let's open this up. And here we go, a very nice Yeossal bag, made of plastic sadly. I would have liked it better if they would use some canvas, maybe linen or something, but it is plastic. And the parcel arrived via FedEx, and this time it didn't arrive late. I'm not quite sure if it did arrive late last time or if they actually managed to produce and ship it in time, but this time it arrived 2 days earlier than they promised. They said it will take about 6 weeks, and 6 weeks would be over on the day after tomorrow. So it arrived pretty much exactly in time. And here we go. So first up we have this pair of Seersucker shorts in some kind of a yellowy fabric, I would say. Very, very nice. What I do see right from the beginning is that there still are some chalk marks on the fabric. I hope that's visible over here. It's kind of a turquoise tone. I hope that these come off when I use some water. But yeah, the fabric is extremely nice. Here is a loose thread as well. I hope that's visible also. But yeah, what I wanted to say, the fabric is extremely nice. Very, very nice. Very cool. The shorts are pretty much unlined. They are unlined. There is just this fabric inside for the pockets. But besides, it is unlined. Double pleats, forward pleats, I think, as you can see on the front. A very interesting D-ring closure that I wanted to have for this pair. These waistbands can be quite tricky sometimes actually, so I will have to see how this is done when I wear them. So yeah, we will see that later in this video. And here, by the way, I don't know who's the producer of this fabric, and it isn't stated inside of these shorts, so I have to look this up and I will put it on screen right now. And here we have the shirt. I don't really have a boldly patterned shirt like this yet. Like, this is a very large stripe, brown and blue, with smaller, thinner white stripes, separating them basically. I don't remember what the fabric composition is, but it feels like there is some linen inside. Maybe it's a cotton linen blend. Probably it's not pure linen, or maybe it is. I would say it's a cotton linen blend. I will also look this up and put it on screen. These are mother of pearl buttons for sure, and the button holes, the threads around them, are actually in a pretty nice blue tone. That's something like this more or less contrasting stitch is something I normally wouldn't like, but on a shirt like this, why not? Like, this probably isn't the most classical, elegant item overall, so why not go a little bit louder and bolder on the threads as well. In the inside we have a Yeossal logo and nothing else. Yeah, what would be expected by a shirt from a shirt, so yeah. We have cuffs as well, of course we do. And that's basically what I can tell you about this shirt. I went for one of their more special collars. I will look the name of this one up, but I think it's the Swallow one-piece collar with it's a hidden button down, exactly. You can see it, they use these thingies to fasten it. That's pretty interesting design, I would say. And we will see how both of these items look on me right now. And here I am again. Let's start with the shirt. I still love the fabric and just the general design of it, how it looks. The collar is awesome in my opinion, looks really nice, really casual. Reminds me of the Colaro Seersucker shirt I do have, but it still is very different because this one is more, yeah, hard to explain, but it stays up and doesn't just like lay down in a pretty flat way. They both have some kind of collar roll, but this is a different shape, definitely. I really like it. What I don't like is that the shirt sleeves are a bit long. In particular when I'm standing, of course, they are a bit long. They exceed my hand slight little bit. That could absolutely be my fault because I just use standard sizes. The sleeves are a bit roomy as well, that could be said, but that's still absolutely fine in my opinion. And I can just roll the sleeves up for a summery shirt like that. I will probably do that most of the time. Besides, the body in general does fit very well. It's not tight, but it's airy, it's nice, perfect for a summer shirt, I would say. And now let's talk about these shorts. I don't have a single pair of shorts in my wardrobe besides swim trunks. So this is my first pair of shorts and I love it. It's super comfortable. They fit so well. They are super comfortable to wear. The fabric is so soft and super nice. And the design, it looks good. And I will definitely, absolutely order another pair of shorts from Yeossal because this is outstanding. I did have to, as I said, I did have to do a little bit of research on how to close the steering waistband, but I finally managed to do so. And it's actually not that complicated. I was just kind of dumb. And so yeah, these shorts, I love them. I love them already. I haven't worn them a single day yet, but I will do so tomorrow because temperatures will hit around 30 degrees Celsius, what is quite a lot for Germany. And I will wear these tomorrow and I'm super excited. I love these shorts. So after all, very good first impression or second impression by now. Yeossal did a great job on the shirt besides the sleeves, but that, as I said, could absolutely be my fault. And the shorts are just perfect. I really love those and I will buy more like these again. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and maybe also follow my Instagram account if you want. Up there I linked 2 more videos from my channel. One of these will probably be my first Yeossal unboxing. And I would like to hear in the comments which Yeossal products you would like me to try next and show you in a video. I will do another video on these shorts very soon and I'm very excited for this one. And now I would say have a nice time and see you next week.